Go ahead. Dami. Ano? Yung mga kinain namin ngayon, no? Nararating namin from Philippines. We're here eating. See? From Philippines to California. We're eating. See? There's a lot food here. Oh, this is my favorite. Oh, there's no crab. Almost out the crab.
Thank you.
The crab. See? Itong mga kinain, oh. Dami. There's a lot. Oh my God. Can finish all. See? There's a lot. Oh, oyster. Spinach. Ang dami, oh. There's a lot, oh. Kalain mo ba yan, oh. Yeah, oyster. Ayan, oh. Yeah. Try this one. Meron pa pala. There's more. They have the sushi bar here. We have a kimchi. There's a sushi bar. Oh my God. There's the sushi. Here. Yeah. They have a soup here too. There. Clam chowder soup. This is egg drop. And then hot and sour soap. Oh, see? There's a lot. There's a lot. You can eat a lot here.